looking to buy USD JPY, but I'm waiting for a displacement because as you can see, price is making higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. So hopefully I'm going to get the expansion to this higher high. The trade seems like it's going to be a very tiny trade. That's if it actually holds. So that's basically what I'm looking at for today. I haven't posted in a while for my 25k account that I started with. I lost it. I breached it. To be honest, it's because of my inconsistency. I don't really have anything to blame here. I've kind of been strategy hopping. Yeah, these past few days I've just been disappointed in myself. I won't even lie, because I've just been doing some things that I wouldn't normally do. Yeah, so right now I just trade trend basically. I just adapted to it. I finalized what I finished finalizing because I felt like I was in this constant stage of refining and trying to finalize my strategy. But now I don't think I'm going to do anything. I always backtest, and I feel that's one of the main cause of it. So I wouldn't really be doing that as often. Yeah. So it's like I would take USD JPY on the close of this candle. So right now I'm trading a 10k account. On Friday I took a trade on gold, which brought me out of drawdown. And now I'm in a trade on silver. Let me show you how it looks on TradingView. It's around here. So my TP. So price have just been gallivanting then. For the instant funding, because I'm trading this on an instant funding account. Instant funding account has a consistency rule, so I had to close at a 2R. So because of the 2R cap of profits in a day, because of the 25% consistency score, I have to close earlier. And luckily for me, I bottom ticked the close. So I made about $122 on my instant funding. I made this on gold also. I took the trade on my evaluation account and on my instant funding account. So right now I'm looking to take USD JPY. So right now I'm going to buy USD JPY. Hey, so I'm back. I had to use my phone to take the trade because I don't know, I was having issues. Let me show you how it looks. So basically this is how the trade looks right now. TP here is not really even up to it 1 to 2R, but I'm going to exit I'm going to exit all my position at this external low. Or who knows, maybe I may just hold it to get my full 100. Nah, that's way too much. That's way too much. So let me show you how the trade looks here. So basically I took the trade based off of the Japanese futures because that's how I trade. This is my master account, so executing a trade here is supposed to also execute on all of my account, but I don't know why it wasn't working, so I had to use my phone because calculating the risk is kind of stressful. MT5 should really do better because their risk calculation is really messy. So yeah, let me see if there's any level I can tag. I mean, this level look probably okay. Let me see how this is. I got a better fee of entry on my instant funding account. And the crazy thing is that I was meant to enter on the open of this candle, but I was recording for you guys. Yeah, things happen. So I'm in this, and I'm in this silver trade right now. This silver trade is not looking so good. I thank God I've closed on one account at least. So if price should get to this external low, I'm going to close it. So, but I'm trading 2 accounts right now. I'm trading this, and I'm trading my phase 2 accounts. Also took this trade over here. So this is how it's looking. Yeah, I got a horrible fill on this account. A horrible fill. Yeah, so my take profit will not even be up to a 1 to 1.5. A 1 to 1 actually, because I barely even risked anything. Not even up to 1 to 1. That's messed up. That's messed up. That is messed up. I mean, not trying to be greedy though, but I might just hold a little bit longer. Trying to be greedy. You know, the thing about live trading and backtesting is when you're backtesting in perfect condition. But then when it comes to real trading, there are times where you miss your entry by a bit. And what I tend to do is I don't let my entry, I don't let my actual entry determine my TP. I still treat it as if I entered perfectly and just try not to mess up my data too much. Because let's say I don't close here, I hold to here, I don't close anything here and I hold to here. What's going to happen? I might end up losing the trade. But then in my backtest, it's a win. It's supposed to be included in my wins, but then it won't be. So this is going really nice. Normally I'm meant to risk 2%, but because I'm in the other silver trade, I didn't want to get too exposed to it. So that's why I did not do that. But if I was to take a guess as to where price would reach, I think it would get to this level at least. At least. If it wants to reverse, it should get to this level at least before reversing and sweep these lows. But then again, I can only think. I really didn't expect to take a trade today because this video was meant to be a video from last week, just showing the silver trade and the gold trade. It's been exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. I swing trade gold and silver, then I day trade these three, and I start swing trading on Wednesday. So for now, I'm not taking any trades. Gold was about here. Price was making lower lows and lower highs. So I waited for a retracement to this other block. I waited for a displacement. Then I entered the trade and I exited over here. So basically, I'm going to be recording my trades for this week and I'll show you my profit and loss at the end of the week. But for this trade right now, you're going to get the updates on it next week. Yeah, so this one is basically for the previous week, but I wasn't able to record previous week because I had a lot to do this week and I wasn't even at home. I wasn't using my laptop, so I couldn't trade. I couldn't record. I'm going to basically try to stay consistent, not just with my posting, but my strategy. Because if I stay consistent with my strategy or stay consistent with my posting, the reason why I've just been having really bad posting habits is because I'm always backtesting. The more you backtest, the more you learn, and at a point, backtesting kind of becomes detrimental to your own trading journey. Yeah, so that's just how I see it. Yeah, so it's been a long run basically. But I don't know, for some reason at this point, I feel like I'm finally balanced. I feel like I finally have it. I feel like everything is finally set. So I'm going to give you the full update on everything this week's ending. Yeah, and hopefully I still accomplish my goal of making $100,000 this year, 2026. The first quarter has passed. The first quarter, I'll assume that I use the first quarter for experimental learning. This second quarter, definitely I'm going to make it out profitable. Thank you for watching, and as always, good trading.